All right, guys, today's an exciting day. We're going to take this twin out. Wait till you see what we got in store for you. Make sure you tune in till the end because it's going to be amazing. Guys, so I'm going to show you today how to launch your boat. One of the key features is before you go down to the water, never disconnect your boat up at the top of the ramp before you go down to the water. We've seen people drop their boats on the launch ramp. Next thing you want to make sure before you get down to the water, you want to make sure you don't have any straps on the boat, which this does. And you want to make sure your plug is in the boat. Once you get just to the part where you're not getting wet, this is where you want to disconnect your boat. At this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it in just deep enough so we can start the motors. Once we start the motors, the driver's going to give me a thumbs up and I'm going to push it the rest of the way. There's a key feature. When you're pulling your boat off, a lot of people try and turn the boat before they get the boat all the way off the trailer. Make sure the boat's all the way off the trailer.